Welcome to my channel, All for Health with Jane. The Senzo Meyiwa murder trial is continuing. Family, this case is still far from ending. In the previous hearing, after Advocate Mngomezulu was introduced by Advocate Ramosepele, Advocate Mngomezulu requested for the recalling of Colonel Mbotho. The court granted him permission to recall him, and the following day, after the presentation of the evidence in chief made by Magistrate Kuronje, Judge Ratha reminded Advocate Mngomezulu of the law that prohibits them from cross-questioning one witness by two lawyers for the same accused. Family, let's watch this clip where Judge Ratha is explaining how this law goes. Let's watch.
That is all. That will be in relation to the cross-examination of the witness on certain aspects.
Yeah, you are aware of the provisions of the law. I mean, you're a senior counsel, are you not?
I'm aware, my lord.
Right. Just to recap, Colonel Mbotho has already testified. Is that not so?
That's correct, my lord.
And he has already been cross-examined. Right?
That's correct, my lord.
The law stipulates, I'm saying they must bring the decisions. It is tried that once a witness has been cross-examined, it's possible for you to make an application and forward or present cogent, plausible reasons why the witness should be recalled. In this case, Mbotho has completed his evidence, in other words. The only aspect which I think you are making an application for is that he must be recalled, but you recall that he was cross-examined by an officer of this court, Attorney
Mr.
Ramosepele.
Correct.
And the law says no two legal representatives can cross-examine a single witness. Is that correct, sir?
That's correct.
That's the law. But this court, in fairness to you, I'll quote you the decisions. The State versus Basson, State versus Yanti, where the principle is reiterated that legal representatives who represent a single witness are not, without leave of the court, permitted to cross-examine jointly that witness. If one legal representative like you are seated here, Mr. Ramosepele is cross-examined, that is the end of the matter, unless there are extraordinary and compelling circumstances which impel you to recall this witness. And as I understand you, it is, you want this witness to be recalled for further evidence, for further cross-examination. The way I understand the law, whatever he has testified to and whatever he was cross-examined on cannot be, as a matter of course, be repeated. Is that not so, sir?
That's so. That is correct, man.
Right.
That
Let's
is
vote.
My lord,
Okay.
The court has outlined what the legal position is, and it's clear that from the authorities quoted by the court that cross-examination by more than one counsel should not be allowed unless the defense demonstrate exceptional circumstances. And in this instance, my lord, we haven't heard what those exceptional circumstances are. So we submit, my lord, that as it was mentioned in the Basson's case, that this rule can only be relaxed if exceptional circumstances are demonstrated. We would request that the defense should, the court has already made a ruling, but our view is that the defense must demonstrate those exceptional circumstances.
Family, after this was said, Advocate Mngomezulu announces that the defense decided to abandon their application for recalling Colonel Mbotho, meaning Colonel Mbotho will no longer be cross-questioned by them. Family, we were waiting to hear how it would go. You know, now that it's first time we were going to hear Advocate Mngomezulu cross-questioning Colonel Mbotho. We were waiting for that, family. But anyway, we hope to see that next time. The following clip is where Advocate Mngomezulu is announcing to the court that they are abandoning their recall for Colonel Mbotho.
Yes, Mr. Mngomezulu.
My Lord, just received instructions from Mr. Ramosepele. The court has already made a decision or in order in relation to the application.
Yes, I have.
But what has come to my attention at the moment, especially on the submission that the state has made regarding the exceptional circumstances, it would be a futile exercise to recross-examine the witness if such exceptional circumstances could not be established at the moment, despite the fact that the court has already made a ruling. Furthermore, Your Lordship, is that it will be a difficult practical exercise without the transcripts of the examination in chief and the cross-examination to pinpoint the questions that are relevant in order to establish what could be exceptional circumstances that may warrant the
Family, before I close this video, I want to share this with you. You know, on one of my videos, there's a person who made a comment, and this person says, your understanding of English is really poor. And one of the reasons why he is saying that is because I kept on saying Advocate Ramosepele instead of Attorney Ramosepele. You know, family, to be honest, most of us who are content creators here, especially those who are doing these videos on the Senzo Meyiwa trial, including Judge Ratha Mokgwatleng, when we address Attorney Ramosepele, would say Advocate Ramosepele. I think I'm not the only one who is saying that. And after Judge Ratha has corrected us, in fact, he was correcting Advocate Mngomezulu on the day he was introducing Advocate Mngomezulu to the court. Then Judge Ratha asked Mngomezulu to say, how is Ramosepele an advocate or an attorney? And Mngomezulu apologized to Judge Ratha and said, my apology, he is attorney, not advocate. And to be honest, before that, most people, we were saying Advocate Ramosepele. So my tongue obviously is used to that. And I don't think I'll even stop, because I'm not committing any crime by saying Advocate Ramosepele to him. So this guy says, your understanding of English is very poor. And this is one of the reasons that this person gave to say you call Ramosepele advocate when he is an attorney. And when I check, this person does not even have a channel. In fact, I checked, I thought maybe I was going to learn one or two things from his channel, only to find he doesn't. So meaning he's here on YouTube, goes from one channel to another just to criticize people. When we are making money for our children, he's spending his data just to criticize us. I'm a Pedi, born, bred, both my parents are Pedi, and I'm proud to be Mopedi. I'm very proud to be Mopedi. I'm not English. I will never even change and become English. I am a Mopedi. And the English that I am speaking, I am content about it. I'm satisfied about it. I don't owe anyone any explanation, Handlen. I'm just saying this to share with you and say, I am continuing to say Advocate Ramosepele, and no one will take me to court for that. So thank you, family, for watching this video to this far. Family, like it before you leave. Comment in the comment section. I love you very much, my family. Thank you. Bye.